To troubleshoot Zelle transfer issues, start by checking the status of your transfer in your bank's mobile app or online banking platform. Ensure you have enrolled in Zelle and that your recipient has also enrolled. Verify that you have used the correct recipient information, including their email address or mobile phone number. If the issue persists, check your bank's website for any service alerts or outages that may be affecting Zelle transfers. Also, ensure that your bank and the recipient's bank are participating in the Zelle network. Next, review your account to ensure you have sufficient funds to complete the transfer. Check for any pending transactions that may be holding up the transfer. If you have recently changed your bank account or debit card, ensure that the new information is updated in Zelle. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact your bank's customer support for assistance. They can help you identify and resolve any issues related to your account or the transfer. You can also contact Zelle's customer support for further assistance. When troubleshooting Zelle transfer issues, it is essential to be patient and thorough in your approach. Double-check all information and follow the steps outlined above to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can identify and resolve common Zelle transfer issues and ensure successful transfers.